What started as a simple traffic stop for driving 42 in a 35 miles per hour zone quickly escalated into a multi-felony arrest. This analysis explores how a driver's demeanor and hidden contraband transformed a minor citation into a prison sentence.
Hey, Deputy Allen Santa Rosa County Sheriff's Office. The reason why I stopped you is the speed limit's 35 down this road.
And I was doing at least about 38 at the most.
No, I have you locked in on my calibrated.
Can I see that?
It's calibrated on my vehicle. You're not going to see it, but...
There's no way to show me because I'm very careful of that because I have a clean driving record and I try to keep it that way.
Okay.
Because I drive for a living.
Where are you headed to tonight?
I'm headed down to Point Santa Cruz, where I'm staying at right now.
Okay. So you're not on Ventura?
No, my aunt and uncle sold my house out in March, so... yeah.
They sold it out from underneath you?
Yes.
So, like, were you renting and then they...
It was rented all, it's a long story.
Okay.
It's a bunch of bullshit, though. To be honest, I just...
The driver immediately challenges the officer's calibrated radar, claiming a clean record to avoid the ticket. Legally, a clean record is a mitigating factor during sentencing, but it does not invalidate a lawful traffic stop based on observed speeding.
Yeah, so...
Okay. You got insurance and registration?
Like I said, I had moved out of the house, so it should all be in there.
It's going to be a little strip of paper, which is, yes, your sticker comes on.
And I have it in a plastic thing, but I have 11 grandbabies. But I know I was not speeding. If anything, I didn't see that guy that was walking.
Yeah, you almost clipped him.
And he was black.
Oh, I know. I saw he was wearing something.
Like, idiot. Like, thank God, you know, like I said, I was professional driver, so I drive the car,
It's going to be this piece here.
See, I'm not used to being pulled over, so I don't know what that is. Yeah.
There's another one in your lap. This one's the good one, I think. 37 to 24, yeah. Hang on to those for me.
The situation takes its first serious turn when the officer discovers the driver's license is suspended, FR suspension. Operating a vehicle on a suspended license changes the nature of the stop from a simple citation to a potential arrest or vehicle impoundment.
Just got an FR suspension. So I'll pull that. You'll work on that seeing. Yeah, it's 42 and 35, and then she has an FR suspension, so. Find out the dates and everything on that.
And I'm not being, because like I said, I don't have a good driver's record, and I haven't had any tickets, and I want to keep it that way, because I tried not to speed ever, and I was trying to keep it under 40 on mine, so.
Okay.
I don't see how it was 42 at all.
Alright, Miss Black, just step out.
The officer orders the driver to step out. When she asks, for what reason, the officer cites the Supreme Court case Pennsylvania versus Mims. Legally, officers have the absolute right to order a driver out of a vehicle for safety during a lawful stop, even without specific suspicion of a crime.
Out for me, okay? We're gonna talk back here.
For what?
Because I'm asking you to step out of the vehicle.
For what reason, though?
Because I'm asking you to step out. At this point, no, there doesn't. Supreme Court says that I can. Step out of the vehicle. Step out of the vehicle, or I'm going to make you get out of this vehicle.
And we don't have to get like that. Why ain't going to be like that with a woman like that? I'm going. It's not work.
Step out.
Are you serious?
You can put all that paperwork over there and everything. Step out of the vehicle, put the paperwork down, and step out.
That's what I'm doing.
Mm-hmm.
This is ridiculous. And I'm calling my lawyer.
The driver begins screaming and attempts to call her lawyer while being detained. There is a common misconception that you have a right to a lawyer during the roadside investigation to stop the arrest. In reality, the right to counsel applies during custodial interrogation, not to prevent a lawful detention or search.
That doesn't need to happen.
I am calling
Stop. Stop.
I'm not even resisting.
Stop.
What am I doing? I'm not even resisting, sir. I'm not
Put her
even
in
resisting.
handcuffs.
How?
I'm done.
I'm not even resisting because I said I'm calling my lawyer.
Let go.
Let go of the phone.
No.
Let go of the phone.
It's my right to call my lawyer, right?
No.
I need... For what? I haven't done anything.
Well, you can
I
be
want a
detained.
sergeant. For what, though?
If they have reason to
Don't
detain
tell
you,
me.
can you
For
stop
what?
talking?
No, because I want answers.
If I'm about to give you the answers, but you won't stop running your mouth.
Oh.
Okay, listen. If the deputy believes that he has reason to detain you, we can detain you. Doesn't mean you have to call a lawyer. That's what we read your Miranda for.
There was no reason to have me out of the car.
Do you have a...
Pennsylvania
I
doesn't.
don't even have...
The subject complains about her safety and privacy, mentioning she is not wearing panties. The courts have ruled that officer safety during a traffic stop outweighs the mere inconvenience of the driver. Her aggressive behavior and refusal to sit as directed escalate the charges to obstruction/resisting without violence.
I have no panties on, no.
Pennsylvania versus Mims is a state Supreme case law. We can remove people from a vehicle for our safety.
No, I want... What about my safety? What about my safety?
Traffic stops are concluded to be mere inconvenience to people who are driving. You're safe right now.
All of you know I'm not safe, not with you guys.
No, that's your own problem, not ours.
No. After everything you see today, I want a sergeant out here now. I want Sergeant Miller.
Take a seat.
He's working the interstate right now. He's not working on
Well,
patrol.
tell him I would like to speak with him.
No.
Take a seat.
And sir,
This isn't pick and choose.
Okay, well, like I said, I ain't wearing any panties.
I'm not looking at anything.
Well,
Hey, ma'am, have a seat.
I'm trying to get up here, okay? And it's kind of hard.
Okay, just have a seat.
Well, can I get some help? My God, I'm in handcuffs, and it's
trying
a
to pick
step
you up a
up.
little bit.
Thank you, Jesus. Have a little respect for somebody, and I want to talk.
Officers find a meth pipe, marijuana, and a controlled substance in a purse. The subject uses the "that's not my purse" defense. Legally, constructive possession applies here. If the item is within your reach and control inside your vehicle, you can be held criminally liable for its contents.
All right, Miss Black, you're going to jail. Resisting an officer, possession of drug paraphernalia for the meth pipe, and possession of marijuana.
I'm gonna take where no
It was in your purse.
In a pink purse, my pink purse.
It was in your purse.
A purse.
Okay. Again.
What purse? I'd like to see that purse.
Okay. Where's the purse at?
My pink purse. You found it for the meth pipe. That's bullshit.
The one that had all your stuff in it.
That's not my purse.
Okay,
That's
well.
Susie Moore's purse I just dropped off. My purse is the pink one.
Okay. Well.
It's the pink one.
That's got your stuff.
Not,
That's got your stuff
no,
in
it
it.
does not.
Anyway, we're not going to
My
argue here on the
wallet
side of the road.
That's not my purse.
This is what you're going to jail
Officer,
for. I've already told you, and you're also
my
going to get.
wallet that I gave you my ID, my driver's license. Was
You're
it
also
in that
gonna-
purse? No,
you're also
it wasn't.
gonna-
It was in the. Sir, that's not my purse. You can't
Okay,
take me
that
to
you-
jail for that. That's
Yes, I
not
can.
mine.
Yes, I
It's
can.
mine. It's not mine. I swear to God, that's
Again.
not mine. My purse is the
Okay.
pink one.
Again.
You seen the pink purse
again.
in there?
Okay. Again.
How is this right? This is not
Again.
right.
This is what's going to happen. You're also going to get a citation because your license is suspended.
For what?
You're going to
This
have
is
to
all
contact
news to me.
DHS.
How can I contact? How is this all happening? That is not my purse. That is Susie
You'll
Moore's
have your
purse.
opportunity in court.
No, how is this right? Is this right? That's not right. This is not right. Sir, this is not right. How is this right? Oh, this is, yeah, okay. I'm going to beat this because this is straight bullshit. How is this okay? And y'all are okay with this. Y'all do people this way and you're okay with it? You know that's not right. That's not my damn purse. And I can prove it if y'all give me my phone. Because like I just told him, I just dropped a friend off. My purse is the pink one. Are you kidding me? This is so crazy. And my wallet, and when I pulled out my wallet with my driver's license, he knows I did not pull it out of that purse. I pulled it out of my pink one. He knows that. How is this okay? This is not okay. Y'all set people up for... What the hell? Lord be with them. Lord, please be with them. That y'all are supposed to protect and serve. What are you protecting? You're lying. Straight lying. Protect and serve what? We're supposed to teach our children to look up to y'all and to trust y'all, to protect and serve, and look what you're doing. This is totally wrong and you know it. And taking me to jail on something that's not even true and correct. And are okay with that. That's bullshit.
The outcome is severe: possession of controlled substances, smuggling contraband into a jail facility, and possession of ammo by a convicted felon. This case proves that a clean driving record cannot hide a criminal past when a routine stop reveals deeper illegal activity.